So ngayon we're just gonna do our trade recap dito sa live trade natin, no, sa London session with my paring, with my tropa, with paring Kyle sa GC namin, no. So ito yung entry namin, no, which is itong area kasi ito is this is 30 minutes order block per value up, no, itong area to. So mas ni-refine lang ng mas ni-refine sa 30 minutes valid dyan, which is dyan din reject yung previous handle na to, no. So 50 minutes and we went down to 15 minutes. Ito yung dating demand, no, but mas ni-refine lang natin. So dito possibility, no, meron dito sa area na to na so yun, we're hit na, no. So dito meron ditong possible demand zone. That is why nag-create ng ganyan bottom wick. So 5 minutes we're gonna do, so wala pa rin tayo makuha mga candles dito, no, sa 5 minutes. So just gonna go scale down. 3 minutes meron dalawang candle, healthy body, bullish and bearish, no. So then 1 minute makikita mo yan, sa 1 minute meron nag-iisang candle which is with overlapping wick per value gap. So this is an order block, no, with order per value gap. So yan lang, marking lang yan, then half, then 4831, 4830, that's a good entry. Then boom, we just hit 417 pips, no. Yun lang guys, this is our trade sa London session.